no fun.
So, hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So, based on the title below, you guys already know that Jaime is going to be doing my makeup today because I'm going outside. So, me and him actually make a bet, say, anyway I'm do it, a summer I forgot out there. So, please pray for me while I pray for myself. I hope say do it good. If him ever. Alright. I'm nervous. Ready now. No, so we are doing that and that first. And that first.
No, I don't miss you.
And that first.
Something.
At this.
It don't matter me, I do.
Jeez. I mean, this now gonna work out. But Jaime is not the powder first to go up on my face.
Are you ready to me?
Jaime, I'm
Stop your complaining about.
Yo. Jaime.
Come on.
May I fix my head, but
No matter.
Jaime now got to look at mascot, you know. The powder go on after.
No, start already. Too late.
Yo.
Let's speak for me.
Sorry. Yeah,
Stop moving now.
Alright. I to God.
Okay.
You know, I feel like I do this with spite because I'm so used to me put on no makeup on my face. Look how I dash down my things, them.
I don't want you to put on makeup. Let's see where you use
I pull up my ear and I saw me do it.
So put it back.
So, Jesus Christ. May mash up my something in quite expensive. Wickedness can't done.
No, mash up. I didn't really not take it.
Come feel my puppet. Jaime.
Come on, man. That move.
How much powder you gonna put?
You need.
Yeah, put the powder before the foundation. The foundation have to go on for me. Now what I do like I'm a do man, you know?
Something over.
I'm gonna take on the challenge upon myself. I do God. Why am I do this? I feel so big, like moon. Alright, go on. Sorry. Jesus Christ. Jaime, at this. This, yes. No. Seriously, no. This. That go upon that. And then the old buckle, you know?
I know I put the whole bucket now, come on.
You have to put more.
I'm here, dude.
Jesus Christ. But no, you are doing it, but me I direct you say you do it good.
I know about it.
But no, I lose that challenge and I come. Now I go to the for madam, you know.
I don't know the food.
See, I from some notes of all like clown. Yeah. Father God, me a biggest stop stress me. I say some go.
No.
We go to empty. Jay. We are doing. I blush. I'm serious with it, you know? Him not laugh. Him serious with it. Look about like no. Trying to look up on my yes, that's all me I tell you.
Like to go on in your phone. They're not that move.
Alright. You can't turn on the AC come here last week. See, I see that many people come burn up in the AC shop. You remember in the AC shop, in the makeup shop?
I'm sure I tell them for 10 times before we start.
Good thing some ugly but not so. But I'm not too ugly. So my mic can still go outside. And pass it, I look good girl, you know? And so this is a wickedness. And you don't want the food because you don't want it, but you're not hungry. Hey, you're wicked. You want your belly a roll.
Oh no, you can eat the thing every time, every other time you make it so no like it.
See, I put some from my nose for like a blush here, I put a... Don't know, no? Go over somewhere else now. I don't know foundation now go up this so. Sure. Whew. You know, I don't know why I accept this when they tell me say if I could do that challenge because God say I know. I feel like I agree because I feel like say that fix me up like a Barbie or a girl and send me go and say go on goods. Go on with yourself. Hey, don't get up on my list, you know.
Stop moving then.
But I'm running so like you just like oh something this and what that.
You don't know man.
You know where I do?
Yeah.
Sure. Okay, but I said no about it.
Stop moving. Look no. Don't look on me, right this up.
So all the lipstick coming out. Alright.
Don't move.
No. Jaim. We are cat things that go up stuff like can't make whiskers me a cat. I want the right one. No, you know one more.
Don't move. Yeah, man.
Yo. So this is gonna make me look hungry. Wipe this back up on my mouth, I'm gonna like this to me. Your belly a roll. You done? A ramping shop. You done? But now I'm gonna say look say no. Just don't say this I must just for YouTube and for the video so people can laugh because I'm not touch the streets look so.
Well, waste your money there, I don't know what you thought.
I do waste my money. Don't put them up.
Yeah, the client here don't work. Applause.
Jesus Christ. I'm not pay you for your service, you know. I'm not pay for you for your service when me done and I come out of the makeup shop because you could have never I could never say you want me to go to a road and look. Oh,
Well,
God. Turn on
The
where?
other side.
So?
No, other side.
So?
Yeah.
Oh, we have a wipe on my eyebrow?
Look at this side. Look over here, sir.
Much as some mom for look. This half a done. My face all scratch me. So people, who don't really feel say me forgot how it looks so? I know you can't answer because I know so nah, yeah. I just say you could have sick. I feel like you could have done a better job and I feel like you do this deliberately. I like chat foolishness.
I'm on deliberately. Deliberately.
Come out of my face. But nah, go to it. Alright, now you're done. You put on your foundation and you powder your lipstick and thing, you're done. My skin all scratch me, you're done. You feel satisfied? So we're not done yet?
No, something I can
Why not my icon now?
I don't know. You just have to wipe it. That's all the ear. I'm trying to do my job. I'm chop it off. Hold the ear.
I have to sign this. This have to be a sign. I sign this.
Turn side. Come chop it off. On the camera. Look. Go close. Tell them say you like it.
I like it.
Yeah, man. Come on my shop. If you don't come, I'll find you. I'm going to come for your family. I'm going to make you come. You see it? She like it. Tell them say you like it.
I like it. I'm being
You
forced.
see?
I'm being
Yeah. Tell them say you like it.
I love it.
I'm not being forced.
My son did my makeup and I'm going to go on the road now.
I'm not being forced. I did this on my own way.
I was not forced. I did this on my own will.
Alright. Come on shop.
Okay.
If you don't come, me and you.
Guys, go down in the comments and tell me what you think about that face, yeah. And tell me if me should I really take up myself and go to the look so. I was forced.
No.
I'm sorry.
You like it.
I love it.
Good makeup.
Good makeup.
I made it. Come on the shop.
My son did it. Come to his shop. Okay.
$25 for lipstick.
I really.
Bills for the whole face. You see me? $150 for 20 for makeup.
Guys,
lipstick, and
thank you for watching.
$150 for some mascara.
May I watch this off of my face? Cause my face all scratch me.
You hear me?
And
we can do the ear.
good
So give me bills
honest
more.
opinion about ear.
Is it?
Go on honest opinion down in the comments below. Have a great day, guys. Mwah. May I go outside? I see if nobody called to me.
But no.